This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Only Way and granting precise location permissions. This lets the app track accurately. Once done, enable background location so updates continue when the app is closed. Make sure Bluetooth and mobile data, or Wi-Fi, are on for faster fixes and network-assisted positioning. Create or sign into your Only Way account, verify your phone number or email, and set a secure passcode. These steps get you immediately ready to add devices and begin real-time tracking. You now add the device. Open the Devices tab and tap Add Device, scanning the QR code or entering the device ID manually if needed. Once paired, configure the update interval depending on battery versus accuracy trade-off. Shorter intervals give fresher locations but use more power. Next, create geofences with a radius in meters for automated alerts and enable notifications for arrival, departure, and low battery so you receive events in real time. This keeps tracking actionable and efficient. To finish, share the device securely with chosen contacts, setting view or admin permissions so they can monitor as needed. Monitor via the map view, history timeline, and breadcrumbs to understand movement patterns. These tools reveal how and why locations changed. If tracking stops, check permissions, ensure network connectivity, disable battery saver for the app, and update Only Way. Also restart the device if needed. This troubleshooting tip resolves most interruptions and restores accurate tracking quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.